In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to receive invoice payments in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out with QuickBooks, understanding how to properly record payments is crucial for keeping your financial records accurate and up to date. So, let's dive right in. First, let's navigate over to the QuickBooks website. You'll need to open your preferred web browser and type in the QuickBooks URL. Once you're there, you'll be faced with the main page of QuickBooks. Here, you'll have the opportunity to log into your account. It's important to ensure that you're using the correct login credentials associated with your business account. Enter your username and password carefully to avoid any issues with access. Once you've successfully logged into your account, you'll find yourself on the QuickBooks Online dashboard. This is your primary control center where you can manage all your financial tasks. Look for the Create button, which is conveniently located so you can easily initiate various transactions. Clicking on this button will present you with a menu of actions to choose from. For the purpose of this video, you'll want to select the option labeled Receive Payment. This function is specifically designed for recording payments against your invoices. After clicking Receive Payment, you'll be prompted to select a customer whose payment you are processing. This step is crucial to ensure that payments are recorded against the correct customer invoice. QuickBooks allows you to either type the customer's name or scroll through your list of clients to find the appropriate one. Next, you'll want to specify the payment date. This is the date on which you actually received the payment, and it's essential for keeping your records precise and reflecting real-time transactions. Make sure you double-check this date for accuracy before moving on to the next step. Once you've set the payment date, it's time to select the method of payment. QuickBooks provides a range of payment options such as credit card, bank transfer, cash, or check. Depending on how the client has paid, select the corresponding payment method to ensure everything is categorized correctly. With all the details in place, the final step is to determine where you want to deposit these payments. Choose the appropriate payment account or undeposited funds if you plan to make a deposit batch later on. Once you've thoroughly reviewed all your selections and you're confident everything is correct, click Record and Close. This action finalizes the process and ensures all information is saved. This entire sequence allows you to efficiently log payments against existing invoices, keeping your books balanced and up to date. Remember, accurate financial record keeping is the backbone of healthy business operations. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more QuickBooks tips and tutorials.